If you look at the dashboard, there are indicators with colors red and yellow. Those are the indicators for battery, gas, brake fluid, and for the handbrake. The indicators will be gone after the full switching of our engine. The next step is applying the clutch pedal and switch on the engine. The vehicle is now turned on. If you look at the dashboard, only one indicator remains, and that is for the parking brake. The next step is to adjust the distance of your arm and leg. For the arm, towards the steering wheel, and your hands are at 9 o'clock and at 3 o'clock. The next demonstration is the proper maneuvering of the steering wheel. There are 3 ways to do it. The first one is hand-to-hand movement. This is done if you want to go the left direction or left maneuvering. To go right, for example, another hand movement is hand-over-hand movement. The third one is one-hand maneuvering. For example, I will use my right hand to go to the other side or to the left side. The next is to check if the wheels of the vehicle are going straight or your front wheel is aligned. Then your steering wheel is in proper position. Since the owner left the car in this manner, I will leave it untouched, as per instruction of the owner. The next step is to check the position of your leg to the pedal. The left leg is to the clutch pedal. Using the ball of your foot to press the pedal, push it towards the end. Then the right leg is for the brake pedal and the accelerator. How to start the vehicle? You must use the steering wheel. But first, you must put down the handbrake. To put the handbrake down is to press the button and bring it down. And then apply the clutch pedal and apply the first gear using the gear stick. Then you are now ready to travel or drive the car. All the things that I have mentioned are for starting